Every day is a new day, and every day is another opportunity to do something good, new, creative. Curiosity is just a part, I guess it's just part of my personality. I decided that when I retired, I was never going to be able to sit still, so I went and got another master's degree because you can never learn too much. And then I signed up for my first urban sketching seminar in 2019. Now I help organize the Chicago Urban Sketchers, and I run this little satellite group that's called Mostly Mondays. I think it helps to do it together. I mean, I could take my sketchbook and go out in the park, but it's not as much fun. It's nice to see in 2 hours what shows up on the paper. Just stay curious, stay compassionate, stay involved, and it will lead to good things.